Sneeze, baby.
For little Bowen, the job is pretty easy.
You like this? Do you want to play with this?
She just sits and smiles on her mama's lap while Dr. Jessica Huey takes a couple of quick skin samples.
Bowen has been in this study since she was in my tummy.
Mom, Brooke Tippin, is part of this study too.
So I actually have history of allergies and asthma. And unfortunately, my oldest, who's 3, Lincoln, he also is going in that direction.
The incidence of allergies has increased over the last couple decades, and we really want to understand why.
National Jewish Health is part of a team running the Sunbeam study, following women from pregnancy until their baby turns 3, collecting skin, hair, and bodily fluid samples, and tracking families' environmental factors, from dust in the home to what the baby eats.
And we know that there's some sort of genetic factor, and there's also some sort of environmental factor going on. But in terms of how all of that plays a role, that's why we're doing Sunbeam.
I've seen many lives changed by research, many lives saved by research, and so I just felt fitting that I would give back some of our time and efforts to help some other kiddos.
Brooke spent years working as a pediatric nurse. From her healthcare perspective to her own household,
there's so much that could be learned about allergies that we just don't know of yet.
She hopes that her family's data can help future kids. National Jewish is still looking for families. If you're interested in this, they would love English or Spanish-speaking families, and you can get compensation. So this is observational only. There's no sticking anybody with needles here. We'll have some information about the study on our website if you're interested. The goal, Alex, is once we figure out the why, then they can start working on a fix. So think about a prenatal appointment. Hey, Mom, here's what we know about allergies. Something to be thinking about as you're pregnant before your baby could potentially get sick.
Yeah, and at least what I remember, this was a few years ago, there's not a lot of talk about that already. So adding that into the fold sounds like a really good idea.
Long-term goal, short-term study. So.
Yep. Sounds good. Interesting. Thank you, Jenny.